ERA is one of the least important stats in analyzing a pitcher's ability. Now, I know that this stat is still heavily used in Cy Young voting and All-Star voting, and it matters to the fans. It matters to the way that we consider pitchers. But if you're analyzing a matchup and you're looking at whether or not a pitcher is good, ERA is one of the least important statistics because there's so many variables. There's the ability of their defense to be able to make plays. There are errors that happen and then runs that come in after. You could have a bunch of runs that are the pitcher's fault, but technically aren't earned, and you can obviously have the opposite as well. So the ERA is going to be a number that's a result of a lot of random things that don't have to do with the pitcher's ability to throw good pitches and get hitters out. However, it does matter in one context, and that context is the team's ability to make plays. And now we can't look at just fielding percentage and a pitcher's whip, for instance. We have to understand ERA from a perspective of how well the defense behind the pitcher is able to make plays. Because if the outfield or the infield doesn't cover as much ground as another team and those balls are getting through, that's not on the pitcher, but it's still not an error and still is going to impact their ERA and make it higher. So ERA matters a slight bit only in understanding the ability for the pitcher to get outs with that defense behind them.